else? What is it?
I got
Nail polish. What color is it? Is it red or pink?
It's pink, Mama. Pink.
Is it pink?
Pink, yeah.
Wow.
It's red with glitter in it.
Cool.
Ooh.
What else did you get, Brett?
A Peter Rabbit. No.
Oh, Brett got. Look what you got, Brett. What's this?
See, you got a bunny too. You got a Sunny. Mama.
Let me see.
Sunny. It's totally delicious.
Look at it. I see. Let me see it.
Show her.
Turn it around. Let me see. Let me get a picture of it. Oh, you got one too.
You got a car. Hey. Look, Brett. I'm just showing your thing.
No. He's like, back up.
Hey, Daddy, look, my
What is that?
are a piggy bank.
What is that? What?
Yeah, I did 60 rolls, and when I finished the whole thing, I put my money in my piggy
Okay.
bank.
That's cool.
And a big lollipop. Mommy.
What?
I couldn't go to sleep last night. Then I finally went to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh, I got Reese's. Reese's. Look, I got Reese's.
Ooh, yummy.
Brett, look at your candy. You got candy in your basket. And there's more stuff. No. This is mine. I'm just putting it right here. Hey, Grandma even got candy. No, this is mine.
Uh-oh, what fell? Something fell.
They keep on stealing my candy.
Brett, you got candy. Oh, look what you got, Brett. Look at this.
Oh,
Ooh. Look what you got, Easter bunny.
Me too. I got an Easter bunny too. I got a pink one.
You got a pink one? Okay, I got a blue.
I got Garbage Pail Kids too. Look, girl. He gave me Garbage Pail Kids cards. Garbage Pail Kids.
This is small ball I ever saw.
You got some right here, baby.
Look, I got soap. I got an Easter bunny soap.